What's up guys, welcome back. So this past week we hit 100,000 subscribers, which when you actually think about that, 100,000, that's insane. I don't know about you guys, but I grew up watching YouTube. Like, I don't really watch Netflix or TV, I just watch YouTube videos. So I've seen all my favorite YouTubers start their channels and then hit 100,000 and then a million. So it's always been a goal of mine to start my own channel and hit 100,000 and then a million someday. So to actually hit that, it's surreal. Like, this has been a goal of mine since I was in middle school. So thank you to each and every one of you guys for supporting this channel and helping me reach that milestone. I'm not trying to make this all deep or whatever. I just thank you guys. You helped me accomplish a childhood dream of mine. Anyways, for the 100,000 subscriber special, I'm going to be customizing some Air Force 1s. So what I'm going to be doing is combining all my customs into one pair. That's why I have a black one and a white one. That way I can do all the black shoes too. Obviously, this isn't meant to be like a cool looking custom. It's more just to commemorate hitting 100,000 and all the customs that I did up until this point. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I've definitely enjoyed the whole process of making these videos and just getting to this point. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, I'm going to be combining all my customs into one pair of shoes. So what that means is I'm going to take the design from each custom and put it on one panel of the shoe. So the first shoe custom I ever did on this channel was a red Louis Vuitton custom on some Air Force 1s. And when I filmed that video, I had no idea what I was doing. I was so nervous painting on a new pair of shoes for the first time because I was afraid I was going to mess up. But luckily I didn't, and they turned out pretty good. Next up is the Have a Nike Day custom. These were a lot of fun to make and you guys really seemed to like them. And I remember being really excited about that video because after 24 hours it had 1,000 views, which was a lot back then. So it's just funny to look back. For the lace portion, along with the actual laces, I'm doing the cartoon custom. This was the first video of mine to actually get a decent amount of views. I think it was the first to hit 10,000 and then the first to hit 100,000 views. But I remember 2 weeks after I posted it, it only had like 500 views. Then randomly in the middle of the night, YouTube started recommending it everywhere and it started getting 1,000 views an hour. And that was such a crazy feeling back then. So for the other side of the shoe, I'm going to remove the swoosh and do the California Sunset customs. I still have all the swooshes from my previous videos and I'm trying to figure out something cool to do with them. So if you guys have any ideas, leave a comment down below. Now I'm going to add the burnt swoosh over the sunset panels, and if I'm being honest, I actually really like the way that these are coming out so far, but I'm sure that'll change by the end of the video because there's still a ton more to add. On the back tab, I'm doing the Gucci design, which is another one that you guys seem to really like. I remember a week after I posted these on Instagram, I got my first celebrity order. Shout out to YBN the Mirror. That was really cool. But yeah, these are by far my most highly requested custom. For the back right panel, I'm doing the serial killer custom. Shout out to G9 Kicks, he's the one who requested this custom and the first subscriber I took a picture with. He actually found me through YouTube and it turns out he only lives 15 minutes away from my house, so that was a pretty cool coincidence. The last panel on this shoe is the toe box, and for that I'm doing the in and out custom. I painted the other shoe black so I can include the designs I've done on black Air Force 1s, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because you're not really supposed to paint rubber soles. But these are just going on my shelf and I'm not going to wear them, so it's fine in this case. So on the first swoosh, I'm doing my all-time favorite custom, and that's the electric custom. That video is going crazy right now. We just passed 1.1 million views. I might do a limited run of these in a couple different sizes, and I still have the original pair from the video, which is a size 10. So if someone wants to buy those, you can message me on Instagram at SneakersSniperCustoms. Next up is the Lava Custom, which is by far the most time consuming custom. It took me over 10 hours to do the pair in the original video, but my friend Trent is the one who came up with the design for this. You guys should go comment on his Instagram and tell him to start making YouTube videos because he's super talented. The next design is the neon outline, which surprisingly is another time-consuming custom. It's a really simple design, but you have to add a lot of layers of paint to get it to actually look solid. But it's definitely worth it in the end because they look really cool. For the final addition to the shoe, I'm doing the Floral Custom. I know I did this on a white pair originally, but I don't have any room left, so I'm adding it here. That video was the second video I ever filmed, and it was the first time I did a custom for someone else. Shout out to Dav. I actually flew out to Denver and hand delivered them, which was a lot of fun. So now we have a grand total of 13 different Air Force 1 customs combined onto one pair of shoes. So I'm going to let the glue dry and then show you guys the final product.